Hey guys, Pascal Bergeron here with ALF Boss, and I started with 0 assisted living beds, grew it to a 114 bed portfolio, later sold it for $12.5 million, and now I oversee and consult for facilities all over the state of Florida. Now, with 30 years of assisted living experience for marketing and compliance, I now share that with all of you. So today I wanted to help you to transform your referral strategy by focusing on one of the most overlooked but most powerful referral sources. Now, I'm talking about skilled nursing facilities. If you struggle to get referrals from these facilities, stick around because I've got an easy, actionable advice you can implement today to start seeing results. First, let's start off exactly why skilled nursing facilities. Listen, skilled nursing facilities are referral gold mines. Why? The patients being discharged are often in need of long-term care and assistance as a continuation of the services they just received. These are your ideal residents, ladies and gentlemen, people who need the exact services that your facility provide. A lot of times, going back home is not an option. That's why your facility is the best fit. One of the easiest ways to get your foot in the door is by following up with any of your current residents who are in a skilled nursing facility or rehab. Listen, track your residents. If one of your residents is sent to the skilled nursing facility, follow up regularly with the staff that's there and check on the progress of your resident. Talk to the social worker. Communicate proactively. Call the social worker or the discharge planner to discuss how you can support the resident while they're there and how you can help transition them to get back, making their life a little easier. So use the opportunity to build on the relationships and create the relationships. Introduce yourself to key staff members by showing, genuine concern for your resident. You'll naturally start building trust with the facility. Another way for you to get your foot in the door into these nursing facilities is to turn to your network if you already have a network. And your current network is another powerful tool. Ask for introductions. Introductions are so powerful, I can't tell you how many great leads that I've gotten from introductions from others. So reach out to whoever's in your network. It could be past family members. It could be individuals in the industry who have connections with skilled nursing facilities. A warm introduction, I'm telling you, is much more effective than a cold call and showing up to the nursing facility. Trust me. You can also leverage existing relationships. If you've worked with a discharge planner or social worker in the past, reconnect and let them know you're focusing on providing excellent transitions for patients living in skilled nursing care. Tell them about your facility and how great it is and how you make their life easier to transition to your facility. Also, I'm going to tell you this one, build a social media presence. Here's something many people overlook. Social media could be a huge tool for connecting with skilled nursing facilities. So let's talk about how we want to do that. Engage with the facilities online. Follow skilled nursing facilities on LinkedIn, Facebook, and Instagram. You can go to LinkedIn and you can find out who's social workers at so-and-so facility in your area. Or you can always get the name of the person when you interact with them. Go on LinkedIn, Facebook, see if you can find that person on social media. And then what you start doing, you start liking and commenting and sharing their posts and just stay on their radar and show genuine interest in what they're doing. Whatever they've got posting on their social media, show genuine interest in it. Sometimes sharing relevant content really goes a long way as well. They might show them that you know what you're talking about. Share articles about assisted living and nursing homes. Tag and mention their facilities when you're working with them. Give them a shout out. Thank you for so-and-so rehab center for taking such great care of our resident while they were in their care, etc. All these little things keep you on the radar and they add up. Who doesn't like to be praised and like their facility and the job they've done be praised on social media? So those tags and those nice comments of the nursing homes, that goes a long way as well. Another key I'm going to tell you guys is following up regularly. Once you've built this connection, don't just let it die off. You got to keep connecting with these individuals on a weekly or at least bi-weekly basis to keep that connection that you built, to keep it fresh. A tip I'll give you on that, don't be too pushy. Nobody likes somebody who's pushy, who's being spammy. Just remind them that you're there in a nice, positive interaction way. Now, the key is you want to build a long-term relationship. Relationships, they take time. You got to stay consistent. The more you stay in touch, the more likely that they'll trust you and they'll send you referrals. Don't expect this to sometimes the relationship will bloom quickly, but don't expect it to just take off. It might take a few of your residents going to the rehab center, make this new connection blossom. Now, some nursing homes or rehabs, they will let you do this once you're in good with them. One of the easiest ways to build visibility at the skilled nursing facility is by sponsoring activities. Start small. You can provide snacks and treats for bingo time. A lot of facilities, they have bingo and they're always looking for prizes. If you want to volunteer time and you think maybe help out with bingo, just a way to get yourself in the door. But I've seen it work. Once you get those good relationships going, they will let you come in and do that. So that's awesome. Of course, drop by seasonal goodies. If it's that time of the holidays or some kind of thing, it's whatever it could be, Valentine's, Halloween, whatever it's coming up, bringing small gift bags to provide to individuals in the social worker and discharge planning area, or even staff that you've built friendships with. Just staying on that radar, So the key is to make their day easier and to show you care. And that's it. At the end of the day, that's what it's all about. You've got to get your foot in the door, show that you really do care, you're a good person, and you're ready to do the right thing. Another way sometimes to get your foot in that door is to sponsor a lunch and learn, offer to bring lunch for the staff, and give a quick 10-minute talk about your assisted living facility, how you help residents transition back home, tell them a little bit about your facility, etc. Like I said, you got to build the relationship first. You can't just kind of, boom, hit them with that, let me do that for you. No, build the relationship. Eventually a social worker will say, yeah, sure, we'd love for you to provide lunch, and you just talk to us for 5 minutes. The key is don't make that talk boring and long, and nobody wants to have to commit to that. In the future, they probably won't invite you back. And there you have it. Simple steps to transform your referral strategy through skilled nursing facilities. Like I said, the hidden gold mine. Use your network, follow up on residents, engage on social media, and focus on consistent, meaningful actions to build trust with these facilities and the key players that can refer your clients down the road. If you like this and you want more tips like this, please visit our website, www.alfboss.com, and please follow the YouTube channel. Listen, it's Pascal with ALF Boss. Take care. Bye-bye.